Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to slow down audio using Canva. Now let's begin. Initially, let's create a design. It can be of any size. Select whichever one you wish. Let me simply add a photo and some music to it. Now that I have added this, I'm simply gonna stretch out the video so that it will be easier for you guys to understand. Now the audio track is of 16 seconds, so is that of the video. Go to share and click on download. Download it as an MP4 video. As you can see, the video has downloaded. Now let us try to extract the audio from this MP4 video. We're gonna go to audio-extractor.net. Simply click on Open Video. Select the video. Now we extract in MP3 format. Simply click on Extract Audio and download. Now we are gonna go to another website, audiotrimmer.com. In this, we can speed up or slow down our songs. Maximum file size is 100 MB. Let us select our file. Audio has been uploaded. Simply clicking on this play button, we can listen to the audio. Now I want to slow it down. Let us drag it. Let us slow it down and change speed. Now we download. Now let me upload this file to our Canva. The file is being uploaded. Now delete the previous music. Right click and then delete. Now click and drag the slowed down audio. Let's adjust it. And now let's listen. The audio is slowed down. Well guys, this is how you slow down audio in Canva. Hope you found this video informative. And for more videos like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.